Hi, I want to give you a quick demo of Harness's new Flyway support for our Database DevOps module. On this screen, you can easily see all of the various changes I've done in Flyway as rows. And you can see all my various database servers as columns, so I can see at a glance what changes are deployed where. For this demo, I'm going to redeploy this change that I previously rolled back to my main environment. It's change 12. Hopping over to Git, I'm going to go ahead and commit it. And that commit is going to kick off a Harness pipeline. This pipeline is going and starting by querying Git for the desired state of the database. After we've got that desired state of the database, we will connect to the database, query all of the Flyway tables and change tracking so that we know what the current state of the database is. We will then compute the exact SQL we're going to apply and run it through our governance engine. So hopping on down here, you can see we're currently in the process of importing the history from Flyway of what's currently been applied to the database, and now we're computing the SQL and putting it through our governance engine. So you can see there's the SQL we're going to apply. Since all our policy checks passed, we're currently in the process of applying that change to our database. If I hop over here to the Migration State tab, you can see that we just finished deploying that change. If I want to know more about its deployment, I can easily click View Execution in New Tab. And similarly, when I'm ready to deploy it up to staging in production, they're just a merge away. All of this is happening within Harness Database DevOps, which supports all of this functionality across both Flyway and Liquibase, all with a single pipeline. Here you can see the same thing in Liquibase. You can see I've got a change I've deployed in the past. You can see as well all the changes that I've deployed to various environments. Similarly, I can click View Change Set. I can see the original Liquibase definition as it exists in Git, or I can click SQL and see that change as SQL. Just like in Flyway, you can easily click View Execution to go view that pipeline execution and see what the original change was. Here you can see the history of all changes we've applied to that instance, as well as which new rows were added. So high level, that's what's coming with our new Flyway support. And with this change, we are now the only database DevOps solution in the market that can manage and orchestrate both Liquibase and Flyway within a single common pipeline, so that your different application teams can use the tooling they're already using while you can still start benefiting from governance and unified visibility. If you'd like to learn more about Harness Database DevOps, please feel free to reach out for a demo at the link in the description.